What penguins do in the wild. Penguins are flightless seabirds that spend virtually all of their lives south of the equator. Some island inhabitants can be found in milder regions, but the majority of penguins, including the emperor, Adelie, chinstrap, and gentoo, live in and near frigid Antarctica. For colder temperatures, a thick covering of blubber and densely packed, oily feathers are recommended. Penguins come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they always have black bodies and white bellies. They can conceal from predators like leopard seals and orcas while swimming because of their protective countershading. While penguins cannot fly, they are excellent swimmers thanks to their rigid flippers, webbed feet, and streamlined form. They spend virtually all of their time searching for krill, squid, and crabs underwater and spend the majority of their life in the ocean. They can swim at a speed of around 15 miles per hour, and when they want to move faster, they porpoise or leap out of the water while swimming.